Mazda 12.3-inch. Large screen machine upgrade installation guide. Dismantling section. Use a rocker tool to remove the center console panel, trim panel, and unplug the plug behind the trim panel. Use Tool 10 socket Phillips screwdriver to remove a total of 4 screws. Take out the central control console with both hands. Open all the plugs behind the original car engine. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws on the front and rear of the screen. Separate the original car host from the screen. Installation section. Remove the machine frame back and 4 new screws below from the packaging of the large screen machine. Refix the newly prepared screws back to their original position. Take out the wiring harness provided in the packaging and insert it into the original vehicle connector. Organize the wiring harness with tape or zip ties. Place the USB connector under the glove compartment. Plug in the host wiring harness. Install the host. 3M adhesive fixed protocol box. Fix the 4 screws back to the original car and guide the new wiring harness above the frame. Reinstall the 2 original car trim panels. The screen slides in from above the frame downwards. Installation is complete.